What's up, guys? Welcome to The Devil's Doorbell, a channel dedicated to exposing feminist brain rot and crazy, out-of-line women. We're watching the Bodycam footage of 3 nightmarish women getting arrested. It's an order of wackiness, so stick around to see the worst one. First up is a Bonnet Betty who brought a pew-pew to her kid's school.
You already got my gun. What do you need my purse for? You took my phone.
Stop. Relax.
Stop. I just got arrested in front of my baby school. If this is not the most embarrassing
gun
shit.
in a school.
And I told them I had it. I didn't take it and not tell them. I informed them because I walked my baby to school.
Have you ever been mistaken for a man?
No. Have you?
I tell them I come here every day. It's not nothing new.
We're gonna go in our car, okay?
Good idea to tell the cops that you do something illegal every day.
I'm not going nowhere.
All right, well, we're gonna have to recuff you.
This is really crazy.
Man,
You was a straight. You came. No, man. Stop nothing. Bro, like, this is my gun. I need my gun back when it's all done and said with. Like, did nothing wrong. I informed everybody and everything. Like, what? I do this every day.
You could trouble me for a warm glass of shut the hell up.
The arrogance of someone who obviously broke the law.
No, I found this. Now, don't put him on my wrist tight. He just did it and I just slipped out of the bitch. Don't do that.
tell you, I'm gonna slip out.
No, it was too tight on one and I told him I was gonna slip out the other one because that other one was so tight. I told him before he did it and I could see if I came up here and tried to hurt somebody. I ain't come up here to do nothing to nobody. I informed you can go watch the videos. I don't even have to go nowhere. I specifically told them I had my gun. I didn't have to tell them I had my fucking gun if I was trying to do something to somebody. Let's be clear. That would be stupid on mine.
Good thing you're not stupid. That arrest was pretty tame compared to number 2. Crazy Karen on the loose.
Obviously not if you're not letting me say goodbye.
Ma'am, if you wouldn't have acted that way on the boat, we would have brought him here, we would have done whatever we needed to.
Huh, let's see how she acted on the boat.
Sit down and talk, okay? I'm telling you to sit down and talk right now.
Dude, you're telling me you're taking my kids, but you don't even know their dad's name. So,
Maybe I misspoke on the father's name of the caller, but both fathers, I spoke both of them.
why would you call the dads of my children?
They called us. That's why we're here. They called us.
I have, and my lawyer
Where's
said that
it
I get them until the date that is on my phone.
Okay.
My lawyer said I get them until the date that's on my phone.
You're looking at 34-year-old Alicia Orzel, a mom of 3 who was just informed that both of her kids' fathers have called requesting the children be returned.
We can't just come and get them. I need isn't that like a civil matter?
That's between you and the courts, okay?
Yeah, I have kids.
Stop yelling. Stop yelling right now.
You don't even know the name of the
Stop yelling right now. Sit down. Sit down and talk.
No.
You're scaring the children.
You're scaring my children. You're scaring me coming here telling me you're going to take my kids and you don't even know the name of the dad.
Police know the man, seen here with Alicia, is allegedly behind the initial reports. Let's see what he has to say.
Ted, do you know why we're here? You can speak up too, sir, because I'm pretty sure you know why we're here.
Beta! With that man seemingly unwilling to fess up,
You smell something, Rabbit? Fear.
Alicia decides it's time to make a phone call.
I'm calling my lawyer.
That's fine. But we're going to take the kids
No, you're
now.
not.
Yes, we are.
No, you're not.
Kids, you guys have life jackets?
Can you grab your life jackets? We'll get this straightened out when we get back to the house, okay? We're going to the house.
You're in the middle of a lake right now in Wisconsin. They show up on a boat telling me they're taking the kids, and at first they didn't even know the names of their dad, who their dad was.
I misspoke. I apologize. Your dad
All
wants you to come
the
back. Okay.
No.
It's okay.
Okay. Okay, I'll come back.
Okay. Well, they're going to come with us now, and then
No,
you can.
they're not
Yes.
going with you now. No,
Okay.
it's not.
Alicia, if you obstruct and resist us, we're going to place you in handcuffs for your children. You don't want that. Okay? You don't want that. Alicia, you're going to go in handcuffs.
Please, I don't want to.
No, Mommy, I don't want to do that, Mommy.
It's guys, come across. Come on, guys.
We're not going to do that, okay?
Hang on one
We're not going to do that.
You got shoes and stuff, bud?
Do is go ahead and step right down here. I can hold your hand here, and I'll step right down towards me. There you go. All right. Can you do me a
Sorry,
favor?
bud.
Can you grab that blue life jacket and put
Maybe
it
you
on,
should
please?
know what the f you're gonna say before the f you come here. Come in here saying the wrong name of the f dad. You
sorry.
piece of cop.
Sorry I misspoke, Alicia.
Yeah.
On and I'll help you out.
Oh, I know you want to see this woman get tased. Don't worry, it's coming.
Don't hit my dog!
Dad, I'm here. I
Ken, I'll
can
back
hear you.
up. Not kick
I
my
am
dog.
talking to my dad for a second.
Then talk. I'm going to stand right here while you do it.
Dad. Talk to Ted privately.
No, you're done there, please.
Mom, Dad, stop.
I've had to deal with Julie. She is
I don't care, Dad. I'm saying something. I want to talk to Ted privately.
There's, I'm gonna help Lucy.
Dad, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the officer.
That's not going to happen.
Why?
Because
But if you race and
of what you just did, that's not going to happen.
Because I scurried away and got back from him?
You were kicking.
please.
The dog was in my face.
Okay.
Ted, we bought tubs. Like with a f***ing lid on
Ma'am.
it.
You need to stop yelling.
Is he retarded or he doesn't understand?
This is-
we bought
ma'am,
tubs. We bought tubs.
This is your last chance. If you continue to yell and swear, you are going to go into custody. I've had enough.
Swearing?
Yes, I've had enough. Get your stuff and let's go.
I'm getting my f***ing stuff. I'm allowed to swear.
You are not.
freedom of f***ing speech.
This close.
Yeah.
Get your stuff.
I got in trouble doing the same you do. I mean, I got hurt doing the same you do.
Get your stuff
I'm
and let's
getting
go.
my stuff. Quit telling me to do it. That's so funny. That's so typical, you guys. Huh?
Ma'am, if I wanted you to be in trouble, I'd have took you to jail a long time ago.
I would have.
You're trying my patience.
Yeah.
Get your stuff and let's go.
Do you not see me getting my
I
stuff?
told you to get your necessities.
And I'm getting my. You see my necessities?
That's not necessary.
My medicine, my stuff from
Last-
the military.
That's enough. Back up, back up, back up.
That healed my soul.
Got him!
Okay, onward.
Got him!
To the #1 worst mother of the video. This menace to society left her baby home alone so that she could go out and party. Real piece of work.
It's just before 3 p.m. in Mesa, Arizona, where police pull over a suspected drunk driver who allegedly left her baby home alone.
Driver, step out of the vehicle with your hands in the air. Put them on your head. Stand up. Face away from us. Face away. Walk back towards the sound of our voice. Slowly. Keep your hands on your head at all times. Walk back.
Hey, Twig.
Backwards. Walk backwards.
Twig, you guys come over here, help us with the IA team.
Stop right there.
The suspect was caught in these traffic cameras where her car can be seen drifting into a turn lane, stopping well behind traffic at a light. And get this? A caller told police that the driver was momentarily passed out behind the wheel. Moments later, the car again drifts into another lane, but police quickly catch up to the dangerous driver.
How much alcohol have you had to drink today, Claire? I don't even know what today is. Okay. Do you know how much alcohol? It is Thursday. Do you know how much alcohol you had today?
I drank a buzz ball.
A buzz ball. Okay, how many buzz balls did you have? Okay, what else did you have besides that?
That's it.
Okay. Are you taking any medications? Are you taking any drugs? When's the last time you smoked marijuana?
Why not?
You don't smoke marijuana at all? Okay. When did you have the buzz ball? Okay, about how long ago?
Oh, my time is right now.
What time do you think it is right now?
I think it's like 2 p.m.
Okay, so when did you have it?
12.
12? Okay. Alright. What's in the buzz ball? Well, it's almost 3 o'clock, so I wasn't with you, so I don't know when you drank it. Tequila?
And rum.
Tequila and rum. Okay. Alright. So you did not handcuff her, right, or did you? Okay. So I'll explain all of that to you, okay? But what I'm gonna have you do is just turn around and face the vehicle for me, okay? I'm gonna take these handcuffs off, okay? Did you get in a crash or anything?
I'm trying to get there, but
Turn around for me.
Someone? I hear someone.
Is someone dead?
we know what her child's at.
Do you have a child?
Do I have a kid?
Yeah, do you have a kid? Okay, where's your kid right now?
My kid's at my house.
Your kid's at your house? Where do you live?
Police discover Claire has a 5-month-old child, and one officer actively works to make sure that baby is okay.
Okay, you're fine. Just relax, okay?
I feel like they killed someone.
Shut up on it. Real time is awesome.
I went in to kill someone.
Who's with your child right now?
Friend.
A friend?
Yeah, but
The baby's safe and...
yeah, but they told me I was coming home.
Alright, that's alright.
She's claiming that someone is with her baby, but once the gravity of her situation starts to set in, she begins to fess up.
Arrest report shows Claire blew a .23, nearly 3 times the legal limit for driving.
I think it's gonna blow something really bad. Can I take time?
What's up?
Okay, so
My baby has nothing.
Claire, you are under arrest. So I'll be putting
He's by himself. Please don't get my baby.
You just said your friend was with her.
No. Please get my baby.
Oh no, my baby. I suddenly care about him.
Please, can I just call my mom? Please get him. Please get him. Please get him.
Where is he?
Please. Thank you.
Okay.
No.
Just relax.
I want my baby to have someone with him. I love him so much.
Since when? 2 seconds ago?
I don't even matter. I'm gonna kill myself. I hate myself.
Why are you gonna kill yourself?
Because I think that saying that will get me out of trouble somehow.
My dad died. I hate myself so much.
Yep, she is the victim here.
I'm not even meant to be alive. I hate myself so much. Please.
Claire is cuffed and taken to jail, where she was charged with DUI and child negligence. Police reports show that Claire told investigators she had been drinking at her home earlier in the day before leaving to go to a pool.
Actually, just put her on the side. It's okay.
Please go home.
Just in the car, okay?
Can you just shut the door and everything for me?
Yeah. Okay.
The 23-year-old later pleaded guilty to the charges. As for her baby, officers rush to check on the child. After hearing the baby crying, officers decide not to wait and enter the home.
Mesa Police! Mesa Police Department! Anybody in here? Hi. Hi, Papa. Hi. How you doing? You okay? Hi. You okay? Hi. Clear the house. I'll stay with him.
Good baby.
Yeah. Hi, Chulu.
The baby was found safe, and those nice officers watched over him while they waited for Grandma to arrive.
We just secured the baby and we're feeding it right now. And we have him in his car seat and we're getting a diaper bag ready just in case, and Grandma should be here soon.
What's up, buddy? Oh yeah, that's good stuff. That's the good stuff.
Why are cops like this?
Oh yeah, that's good stuff. That's the good stuff.
Yay! I'm glad that baby's okay and that those Karens got what they deserve. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Unlike these monstrosities that we just watched, keep being a force of good in the world, and I'll see you guys next time.